In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the eBay app on your Android device. This quick and straightforward guide will have you browsing and shopping for deals in no time right from your phone or tablet. To get started, grab your Android device. The first thing you'll want to do is open the Google Play Store. You can find this on your home screen or in your app drawer. It's easily recognizable by its colorful triangular icon. Once you have the Play Store open, locate the search bar at the top of the screen. This is your gateway to countless apps, games, and other content designed for your Android device. Now go ahead and tap on the search bar and type in eBay. When you begin typing, you'll notice a list of suggestions pop up beneath the search bar, but continue typing until eBay is fully entered. After that, tap the magnifying glass icon or the entry you're interested in to perform the search. Once you complete the search, you'll see a list of results. To ensure you're downloading the correct app, look for the official eBay app. Here's how to verify it. The app you want is published by eBay Mobile, so you'll see that name right below the app title. Additionally, the icon should display a colorful eBay logo. This is your assurance that you're about to install the genuine app direct from eBay. Once you locate the official eBay app, the next step is to install it. You'll see an install button right there in the app details. Simply tap it, and this will initiate the download. Depending on your internet connection, the download may take a little while, but generally it should be fairly quick. After the installation is complete, the install button will transform into an open button. Clicking this will launch the eBay app for the first time. Once open, you have the option to sign in if you have an existing eBay account. If not, don't worry, you can create a new account right from the app. This will let you jump right into buying or selling items as you need, and that's it. You've successfully installed the eBay app on your Android device. It's a great app to have right at your fingertips, offering a seamless experience for all your shopping needs. With this app, you gain access to a vast marketplace, whether you're hunting for deals on unique items or looking to make some sales yourself. Enjoy the ease and convenience of eBay on your Android device. That's all for our quick guide today. I hope you found this helpful and that you're now ready to explore eBay. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Have a great day,